Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the advanced search feature in Google Scholar on your phone. Let's get started. First, open your Safari or Google Chrome on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Type googlescholar.com in the address bar and tap Go to open the Google Scholar. On the top left of the screen, tap the three horizontal lines. From the menu, tap Advanced Search. You will see several options to make search more specific. With all of the words, find article containing all your search item. With the extra page, type use this if you want an exact match like citation. With at least one of the word, it's great for synonym or related term, and without the words exclude certain terms from result. In where my orders occur, choose whether the terms appear anywhere in the article or only in the title. In written article authored by, search by specific author's name. Unwritten articles published in search in a specific journal. And last, written articles dated between, filter by date range. Fill in these fields you need, then tap search. Your result will be more targeted. You can still use the filter on the left side like sorting by date to define them further. And that's it. We have just used advanced search in Google Scholar on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.